Which planet is known as the red planet? Earth, Venus, Mars, Jupiter. Answer is C, correct, Mars. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Venus. Correct answer is C, Jupiter. Which continent is known as the dark continent? Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia. Answer is B, Africa. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Sarojini Naidu, Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore. Correct answer is D, Rabindranath Tagore. Which is our country? India, China, Nepal, Bhutan. Correct answer is India.